Yo, mara bengiaphi monqwe. Bengiaphi uNkulunkulu wami omulimi Raulika. Raulika bengiaphi la kule hike. Yo. Tironzo sifaka yazo. Yiwe. Bengiaphi. True. Am I bad? True. King. Inside.
When am I gonna see your mom? Can't I say it like
No, what am I maga?
Of course you can eat for free. All you have to do is give us this piece of paper. I mean, it's so small, looks like that. And you can have this for free. We will give it to you in return for a little piece of paper. Super easy as that. So the answer is yes.
I appreciate the episode so much. You're gonna be again in Kratinati Queensly too. I thought to find someone.
Selfish when you are very selfish when. How could you leave me here all alone? Huh? What am I supposed to do without you? You, Joe. Dude, look at my shirt. Small size because you are the one who always chooses my shirts for me. Oh, baby Joe, Joe, if you're still there, please open your eyes, do something, blink, move, you understand? If you've ever loved me, just open your eyes or something, Joe. It's fine. I just wanted to come tell you that tomorrow I'm going to the Makanda National Arts Festival in Gravestein. I was supposed to be there a long time ago, but you know. So yeah, and also I am going with my colleague Umegan.
Woza moya wemali eningi angihlasele ayikancane kakhulu noma angasahlaselanga mina ngincela uhlasele amangani bami babe nemali eningi.
Asina nako ya game la.
Watsa batho ba modimo ke na le bothata gore a ke tsore ke di eno watsa ebe ke emile mo ke nchametse ke emile mo ke nchametse o kwela mapodisa ba feta mo ka ba re ntho ke di ao against the law ba bjale ba mfaina e ba re ba mfaina ke mo ka ba mfaina mo gae ke mo ka ba re fine ya ona ke 50 rand ke ntsha 100 rand ka ra ke na 50 rand ke mo ka ke ntsha 100 rand ke mo ka o tshwantse ampe change ya 50 rand o ra ana change bale ke motsaria bjana o re ke ruta be bale ke o khumana ka mo ruta ka re la ke feditse o ruta wa tsamle ke ba le tsuse na mo a ke tsebe ntlalosetse.
Go on my office. Okay, open the file. Did you see the window? No, there's a window. Yeah. Okay, open the window. Okay. Upload the file to the cloud.
Wow, damn it. You look so gravitational cool. Wow, what the fuck? You are so beautiful, Yes, you look beautiful. Like, you are so beautiful, any flavors. Which flavors, mkhuluwa? Lavender. Ukake lavender wena siphokazi. Kazi number kaloku. Yeah, man, number please, man.
Ne boyfriend.
Aska. Lendo le ngani ngusquid wena you transgender. Jonge with your ostrich. It's like you went to the salon and they asked you, what hairstyle do you want? What when if the duster in a fade? Yeah, man, I'm gonna ostrich in a peepop. Yeah, I'm Kuluwa peepop. Yeah, I imagine a lot is going on. Gapa, she's wearing a dark skin chicken on her head. Gapa, she's wearing a sheep that has vitiligo. A goose with vitiligo. Yo, I'm Kuluwa. So what does she say when she's buying it? Hi, sorry, can I please have each jacket for Michael Jackson? And honestly, when I was asking for your number, I wasn't asking for the phone number. So call I'm Kuluwa. Nyani Smiley. Okay, I was asking for the account number so I can send you money so you can buy a proper weave that looks less alive. Ah, boss Pogi. What's next? I got you, Tito Mama. Hiya, I'm gonna put some time for Mutre Ninjas.
Sengicabangile siye mine manje ufuna sithatha amathulusi wethu siye sofuna ama-gold nama-diamond ozofuna ukusivimba ngifuna asitshele kahle ukuthi bekakuphi yena uNkulunkulu asebenza kanzima ayenza umhlaba bekakuphi umhlaba kaNkulunkulu lo osiyogubha le mine siyolanda ama-gold wethu nama-diamond wethu.
Hey, le kae?
Le teng wena o kae?
Ai, ke tsogile ngwana ke. Ke batla le rraago man.
Oh papa, how are you today?
Ai man, ka nya gore ke bue le Sipho e be re dumalana a batswa ga ke utlwane le lona.
E be le tshwere le bjana go motho.
A ke ra nomoro ba ne ke tshwere premium edition. Ne re tswe nna hela eo. Premium. Gompieno ke tle le platinum edition. E irilwe specially ke ona. Ona ke ina la motho o itse. E re ke re botlolanyana le one ke ntse ke emetse rrago mme ba ka tsena. A o siame gona? Ai ke tsogile ngwana ke a bona re tshirisa mabodi fa dropite di yelo ka kontle go a tua lo ngwana ke man malo ba ke tle fa ke a bona ra ke ka o komela nka ro ro le dithomi ke botsa re no ngwana ga buti a ba ro le dithomi go a bo go teng nya ke go tletse le lose vothono ke o fa
ke le boga malo go no ticket telephone wa phale 5000
go tualo 15000 di tlhakotse oh ke itse kana mo di plasing mo ba beta ba ora ba re ke fake keng sleepy case Standard Bank ile ke fetsa go swipe as tlhabo seo ke a go tsena message go te sufficient funds in the account tšhelete e ntsi tota o itse gona mo koloing ha o riana fa gona le sonyana se se rinyana o sa se go stobit ba go se seng o stobit sa go bulegana o tlo kry wallet ka phone ke o retse khata Capitec ke khanyana go ra ona karata ya insurance
ke le boga malome
a gona bothata
ke le boga khona le gamkhara
Na o itse nombola o reng or mosadi a fiwe tšhelete o fiwang fana o mongwe kwa tetse ka re o mo fileng
Ai mama before ke le lokisetsa pelo le botsa ka history ya ka nna like ke blind le mo ka se ba ntseba ka motlakase ke blind too much mama so gopela le ntshepeng ne ke bereka Eskom ka 1974 and then yeah and the little to ya load shedding ke na ke creative le scan sharp mama so motlakase ke dilo tsa ka mama ke tlo lokisetsa hantle and a ke tshabe a go tshabe motlakase nna okay enchokile mama ke phintse gopela le founileng ambulance o mkhana mama gopela le founileng ambulance ke di bala
Anthatile ansele slices tsa palone ke yo jama gwenya dza ira pela o itwa soma Satan wa sekolong re bangwa
ene banyana stalenyana se sa lena sa di-size se wrong moshimane a tle kae a o fele rato le tšhelete o mo cheatela o tle a o tifela kae ka koloi ya sekoloto a o bethe o nne o le shishiping le batlang mane